Welcome to Closed Caption Creator. In this video, you will learn how to add a new user to your team. Once you have logged into Closed Caption Creator, go ahead and close the Welcome screen. Click on the Help menu and select Team Management in the drop-down menu. Then click New User. Add your team member's credentials, including their first name, last name, and email. You can also assign them as an admin if needed. Lastly, click Save User. Your new team member has now been successfully added and should now appear on the users list on the left. Your team manager will receive an email confirming that a new user has been added. Your new user will also receive an email letting them know they have been added to the team and are now ready to get started. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tips and tutorials about Closed Caption Creator. For more information, you can also visit our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com.